We don't let your kind around here. You're too tall and you got too much mustache hair.
You're the one.
What are you doing?
You get a crowd thing real quick. Like, remember we were doing Thursday, but the crowd.
Don't you think tomorrow they'll sell a lot of tickets? Yeah. Oh, yeah. The more tickets they sell, the more I'm in. I'm not kidding. In 5 minutes. I never knew you. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, wait.
Oh, this is have to wake up now.
Yes, there's a huge amount of responsibility involved now. But you can do it.
Are you leaving?
Yeah. I think I'm good.
Hey, Koi, why? What are you doing over
I
there?
gotta go to Beach, and I have to close the restaurant, and then I have to go to a party.
Oh, and you do. It's a big party. It'll be a very big party.
Adios. We didn't get you tonight. See you, Rick.
Bye, Rex. See you noon.
Bye. See you at my party tomorrow night.
You at my party.
We're gonna hang out. You're gonna have to. Very.
When is your party?
One keg never is enough, so I figured I'd make it fun.
Can't get a pony?
Yeah.
That's smart. If you got a pony, you wish you got a keg. If you got a keg, you wish you got it.
I'm probably just gonna get one keg on Tuesday.
During party this?
Probably.
I'm working 5
Didn't you
o'clock.
have a regular cake last?
I know. Bill's working 6 foot. Bill's working 6 foot in the kitchen, and you know how Bill closes the kitchen. So.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out of there. Who's supposed to win them? Poor guy. Let us not eat. I was gonna drink beer after work.
You started after you got there, killer.
Oh, you redneck, gun owner, killer,
I didn't say anything about Southern accent.
truck driver.
Senior sweeping generalization.
What comes around goes around.
Yeah. My point is, this is an inflammatory type of situation.
There's another man who's with a southern accent.
He could well have had a gun. He could well have had a gun in this car. No, I'm talking about that kind of truck. He could well have had a gun.
He could love it because he's
No. Because he's a man. There's my sweeping generalization for you. Okay? That's nothing to do with being a redneck. It has to do with the fact that he might have had access to a weapon and had his masculinity affronted.
Well, guys, one.
See, they just won't let it ride. That guy would leave if they would leave him alone. He would have been out here a long time ago.
What?
He would have been out here a long time ago. They would just leave him alone, but stay alone. No, they're men.
No.
They're men.
Then how come their women are standing there watching too? How come you guys? You're standing here watching. You want to see a couple of minutes?
I don't. I want to see him
I'm
get
here
in his...
observing him.
I want to see him get in his car and drive away.
I'm amazed at how long it's
The length of this competition. I know.
This is really
We're
important.
calling twice, isn't
I
it?
can't believe this is not as long as
Yeah. This will come over on foot.
He's on foot.
I don't think he's gonna make it.
What's the problem, officer?
Nice meeting. Third problem, officer.
Well, this is when it gets good.
I know it does.
I can't believe y'all let me videotape.
Greg Lalonde is only 5 seconds behind.
Turn that damn thing off, or at least move it. You guys going all over. They're Yeah, down in his truck, he's got that bag.
The rest of the guy will be fine. Obviously, he's the worst human being that does lotteries. Don't you think? They were cavalierly walking across the street, quite cavalierly. Almost to the point of being lottered. He became very red.
How are you?
And about the neck and shoulders. I think just looks like they're taking the guy in the car away.
Even in mine, you felt no, you felt poor.
DUI, had you not stopped in the road.
Choose a kitchen street one.
Normally, I'm not
And I don't want any. You take two. I will not take any. I don't, no. Wait, this is the kitchen. I don't want anything. Oh, get out of here!
How was it?
I gotta tell you.
Not bad. I mean, no, it was fun. It was fun. It's toward the end it gets sort of boring.
I know that.
But during the
Jay,
dinner
is there a theme to this tape?
Nope.
Just general observation of life?
Mm-hmm.
Is it have the audio and the video? Video.
I was forgetting all down posterity thing. I want to get this hair on my leg.
Crap out of you.
I feel so much better if you can
No, the fact that I took a nap for a little too long and wasn't able to shave prior to the time when I came into work. I get this thing here. Thank you. Thank you.
We've been doing this since about
Everywhere.
I only feel
some of it's a little slow. You really owes you all that much, so it's spongy, I'd say.
I didn't that much. I'll make him quit next time.
You're the real.
You got CA my big.
But still, instead of taking the fast route through the Jersey Turnpike, I accidentally found, by getting lost, which I always do, an excellent route through Pennsylvania. Beautiful, less expensive than tolls, more reliable as far as traffic is concerned. And 65-mile-an-hour speed limit all the way up until you hit the Maryland border, not Pennsylvania, but all the way up through Virginia, I think 64 west to 81 north through Virginia, West Virginia, and through Maryland, and then sometimes I stop in Bethlehem. A friend of mine made a good point. We were driving through and he said, why don't we stop and
As long as you get some pads, we can put some pads if you want to. It's going to be heinous on film. Absolutely
got a couple of
heinous.
photographs of Bethlehem Steel.
At any rate.
Nobody's
That.
My thing I've been getting into is whenever I take a trip, whenever I go out of state, I try to get a picture of the welcome to the state sign when I drive by. Yes, it is.
We're going to use Candelar's mug since I do need
Exactly. It's already chilled.
I like the idea that I'm drinking from someplace your town was.
What are we doing? Just filming the crab feed?
And general conversation, it's a hint at...
Have you got that on wide angle to where it's capturing everybody, or?
The most wide it can be.
So you got me out of it, right?
So we've got these three.
At least
Okay, that's fine.
Go ahead.
Oh boy!
Where is it? Oh, there it is. I didn't even know.
This is something I always wanted to do. Smoke a cigarette while doing something for St. Martin.
Those cigarettes are going to get so nasty.
I'm gonna love them.
Better hold it down toward the end.
What are you talking about?
Because your cigarette, everything, it's going to get really wet.
No, if I don't keep touching
crab
it.
meat!
Oh, there's some crab meat on the plate.
Oh, I didn't,
You remember?
Oh, definitely I
So we
did not.
scrape out all the lungs and put on the plate.
You said you wanted half. You didn't say what half.
Lungs on the plate.
I give you all the shit parts. I wanted the meat.
You didn't say that. You said half for her. Half for us.
Yeah, but you got to get your technique down for the first crab. And eat the whole thing yourself.
I agree.
And then save it.
I'd like to make a whole plate and then just wolf down half of it.
That would be the way to do it, just sit here and pick on them for about a half hour.
That's why I like
Get
these
a little pile
sunflower
built up
seeds.
and then eat half the pile.
Crack half of a whole bowl full of sunflower seeds open.
I like that idea, Brian.
Yeah, that's not Brian's idea. It's my idea.
Okay.
I have
I like that idea, Dave.
Thanks,
I think I'll do
Jeff.
that.
Hey, all right. I feel this moment between us.
What a great thing. You remind me of
Homer.
Homer. Like
Homer
little boys,
Simpson. Only if they play the lute.
Oh, if they what?
Can't hear that.
Play the lute.
Play the lute?
You had to pay real close attention to catch it.
Must be to be an old
Little lute prodigies.
I'll bet he was into that. Socrates was.
Yeah.
Well, Woody
I
Allen.
remember Socrates' famous last word.
So, what was this?
He said, I drank what?
I drank what? What was that drink? She said last night we were busier than tonight.
Yeah. I'm sure we were. But I was
Tonight was
definitely good girl.
slow, thank God. I was
You worked, therefore it was busier last night, Lynn? What's the theory?
I mean,
You know because you worked.
right.
You
There you have it.
clever.
There you have it in a nutshell.
In a crab
No,
show.
crap Dave,
I'm fast. Fast on my feet. From New York. Gotta be fast. Not fast, get left behind.
What was it? Don't think for yourself.
Or the other guy might get it.
The other guy might get it, yeah. What other guy?
He's one of they, whoever he is.
He's one of them, huh?
Yep.
Oh, I know what they say.
I know a lot of things they say.
You are not. You're not doing this right.
Yes, I am.
What are you thinking? You are.
He's thinking how he would die. He was dying for a cigarette.
You're right about
Who
the
taught
smoking
you
thing.
how to eat
I could
crap?
drink while doing this. Rather than hold this stupid cigarette in my mouth.
Are you ragging on the way I picked up?
Yeah, I am. You just wasted so much money. You need to stop. Chris Rollins taught you this.
Oh, God.
You
That
need
explains it.
to be retaught.
Only knows how to eat the eat with claw.
Yeah. You need to be retaught because you're missing out.
Oh, baby.
That.
I'm driving in my car. Ooh, you can music.
Yeah,
That-
Penny, how about that music?
How about some
Here
food?
with that music.
Where's the band you promised?
Roll off this time.
Didn't Skip Catcher in the
roll off.
next year?
Oh, that was terrible, wasn't it?
That was
They can't,
nasty.
they've already had their 4 reunions.
And then I totally enlivened the party by getting on the drums.
Did you do that?
Yeah,
I didn't know I had left the room.
I got on the drums and
It's like in the season, 3 times I've had the opportunity to see the final
They're just
show.
playing-
they were no good. It was their fault.
Damn, I hate that. Didn't they just put out another album?
Probably.
Who did? The Thumbheads?
No. Thumbheads are disbanded.
Are they?
Mm-hmm. Tony's living in
I can sleep easy.
New York City. Yeah! Alright, I like it. Forever Man, Eric Clapton.
Are you eating as you go?
No,
Okay.
I don't want any.
Oh, really?
You're not eating anything?
Yeah, if you like.
I'm gonna eat half this plate.
Where are we going?
Going to fill the plate up and then eat half of it.
Yes.
All right, let's bring out those digital scales.
Accurate to the
Let's make sure they only half.
thousandth of the brain.
You haven't really had 3 of
Isn't that Elton John song? Sounds a lot like the beginning to I'm Still Standing, doesn't it? Maybe not. Thank you. After all this time, I love that song. The video track.
Riding in my car.
I refuse to say do.
You'll give up the phone?
Don't call me that.
We went to the Daily Progress tonight.
What?
get the tour.
The tour of?
All the daily progress, because we wanted to videotape the printing room, the new pictures we made.
Yeah, our friend was too busy there. His boss was looking on and stuff.
Funny, you notice when we walked in, everyone was watching us?
No, I didn't notice at all, actually. I was just playing with the camera.
Oh, okay. Everyone like looked up and was just staring at us like, what are you doing in here? This is a newsroom. Well, in Charlottesville.
I've never had a friend in here, why should she? Forgot, I don't have friends.
I knew you never.
You get that off. You go to the back here. You find the hard white
Go to the back. Scrape off all those
light
lines.
connection.
No, just disregard all that stuff. Just scrape off the lines and break it in half.
Cool.
These are all chips.
It's quite a big
No, I don't have.
I thought they did. I thought legally they all should
sell it.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Yeah.
Huge.
I know last year,
For as long as we do this.
somebody was in there, they sell it, it was James.
Sorry,
I think we should leave that on for as long as
Oh, I forgot it was still on now. Fair enough. Fair enough.
possible. We might be listening to it.
Yeah. The armed robbers are about to come in.
Yeah.
Eggs on.
Ooh, that meat is sweet.